emergency. Amidst torrential rain wreaking havoc across California, flash floods submerged homes and overturned cars in San Diego. The deluge began in Guerneville, north of San Francisco, where a creek overflowed after 4 inches of rain in 24 hours, prompting school closures. The south end of the state faced a severe punch, with floodwaters sweeping away vehicles and submerging neighborhoods in San Diego. Eddie Ochoa, a resident, described how his sister's car was washed away within an hour. The unprecedented 3-hour downpour saw 3 inches of rain in National City. Swift water rescues took place, and San Diego Mayor Todd Gloria declared a state of emergency, setting up shelters for displaced residents. The Los Angeles County issued an evacuation warning near Topana Canyon due to mood or debris flow. Meanwhile, an avalanche warning looms in the La Catashui area. With the San Diego River flooding, a dire situation unfolds, emphasizing the urgent need for precautions and preparedness in the face of unpredictable weather patterns. San Diego has declared a state